Creating a Microsoft account allows you to access Microsoft Project and other Microsoft services. Here's how to create a Microsoft account from the Project Launcher. Open Microsoft Project Launcher. Start the launcher. Open Microsoft Project or navigate to the Microsoft Project Launcher application. Access Sign-in or account creation. Sign-in screen. On the sign-in screen of the Project Launcher, you will see an option to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, look for a link or button that says Create One or Sign Up for Free. Create a Microsoft account. Click on Create Account. Click on the Create One link. This will redirect you to a web page to create your Microsoft account. Enter your information. Fill in details. Provide the required information, including email address, password, personal details, verification. Complete the setup. Finish registration. Click Create Account or Sign Up after filling out the details. Follow any additional instructions to finalize the account creation. Sign into Microsoft Project. Return to Project Launcher. Once your account is created, return to the Project Launcher and sign in with your new Microsoft account credentials.